Hi amigos, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths Phobia. In the previous video, we have completed up to 30-second sum of permutation and combination. Now let's start solving from the next sum. It is given that NPR is equals to 5040 and NCR equals to 210. Find the value of N and R. Solution. There is a formula called NPR by NCR, which is R factorial. So 5040 by 210 equals to R factorial. 0 gets cancelled. 21 24. So 24 equals to R factorial. 24 is nothing but 4 factorial equals to R factorial. So the value of R is 4. Now substitute the value of R in this. NP4 equals to 5040. So NP4 equals to 21 into 24 into 10. NP4 equals to, this can be written as 7 into 3. This can be written as 6 into 4. So this is 10. So NP4 equals to 10 into this 6 can be written as 3 into 2. So 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 2 is 8. And you are having 7 here. NP4 equals to 10P4. So the value of N is 10. Finally, N equals to 10, R equals to 4. That's it. I hope you have understood the previous sum. So let's go to the next sum. Find the number of ways of arranging the letters in the word permutation and mathematics. So let's start solving. In order to find the number of ways, we have to count how many letters are there in the given words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this becomes 11 factorial by. If there is any repeating terms, we have to write in the denominator. P is not repeating, E is not repeating, R is not repeating, M is not repeating, U is not repeating. Only T is repeating twice. So this becomes 2 factorial ways. That's it. Now let's find mathematics. M 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is also 11 factorial by. M is repeating twice. So 2 factorial. A is repeating twice. So 2 factorial. T is repeating twice. So 2 factorial. H is not repeating. E is not repeating. And that's it. C is not repeating. S is not repeating. So coming to the next question, it is given that find the number of ways of arranging the word triangle so that the relative positions of vowels and consonants are not disturbed. Solution. First, the number of vowels, which is A, I, A, E, I, A, E. The number of consonants, which are T, R, N, G, L. So this is 3 and this is 5. So the number of ways of arranging the vowels and consonants with relative positions. This means that ovals comes in ovals place and consonant comes in consonants place. So that is 3 factorial. 3 ovals comes in 3 ways, that is 3 factorial ways, into 5 consonants comes in 5 ways, that is 5 factorial ways. So 3 factorial is 3 into 2, that is 6. 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 6, 120. So this becomes 720 ways. That's it. So coming to the next question, it is given that find the number of 4-letter word that can be formed using letters of the word piston. At least one of the term is repeating. Solution. Write the given word. Given word is piston. 6 letters. He has to form 4-letter word. So that is R equals to 4 and N is 6. The formula for at least one is repeating is NR minus NPR. So substitute this NR in minus NPR. 6 power 4 minus 6 factorial by 2 factorial. 6 power 4 minus 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. Cancel. So 6 power 4 minus 18 into 20 is equals to, so that is 6 power 4 is 1296. This is 360. That becomes 936. That's it. I hope you have understood the previous sum. So let's go to the next sum, which is given that find the number of ways of arranging 4 boys and 3 girls in a circle that all the girls come together. Solution. The formula of arranging the terms in a circle is n minus 1 factorial. So using this formula we are going to solve this sum. So it is given that there are 4 boys and 3 girls in a circle that all the girls come together. So first take all girls as one unit and add this one to 4 boys. That becomes 5 into 1 unit. 5 into unit. So this is arranged in a circle, that is 5 minus 1 factorial into unit. So therefore the required arrangement 4 factorial into unit means 3 girls, that is 3 factorial ways. 4 factorial is 24 and 3 factorial is 6. So this is 144. That's it. I hope you have understood the previous sum. So let's go to the next sum, which is given as find the number of ways of selecting 3 vowels and 2 consonants from the letter of the word. Equation. Solution. The given word is equation. Here there are vowels which are A, E, I, O, and consonants are E, T, N. So you're having 5 vowels and 3 consonants, out of which he has to select 3 vowels from 5 vowels and 2 consonants from 3 consonants. That is 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 3 factorial by 2 factorial. So this is 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial, and this is 3 factorial 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. 2 factorial get cancelled, 3 factorial gets cancelled, 2 into 4. That is, final answer is 30 ways. That's it. So coming to the next problem, it is given that find the number of ways of selecting 3 girls and 3 boys out of 7 girls and 6 boys. Solution. So this is the similar problem to the before sum. So we have to select 3 girls from 7 girls, that is 7C3 into 6 boys, 3 boys from 6 boys, that is 6C3. 7 factorial by 7 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 6 factorial by 6 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. 7 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So this is 7 factorial can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial. This is 6 factorial into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial gets cancelled. So 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 into 2 into 1 into 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 1. So cancel. So this is 7 into 5 into 5 into 4. 7 into 25 into 4. That is 700. That's it. So coming to the next question, it is given that find the number of ways of preparing different chains by 7 colored beads. Solution. The formula. The number of ways of preparing chains using n color bits is n minus 1 factorial by 2. So the required arrangement is 7 minus 1 factorial by 2, that is 6 factorial by 2. 6 factorial is 720 by 2, which is 360 ways. That's it. So coming to the next problem, it is given that there are 5 copies of 4 different books. Find the number of ways of arranging these books in a row. So 5 copies, the total number of books are 5 copies of 4 different books, that is 20 books. So the required arrangement is 20 factorial by, you are having 4 different books with each of 5 copies, that is 5 factorial by 5 factorial by 5 factorial into 5 factorial ways. That's it. I hope you have understood the previous problem. Now let's go to the 42nd problem, which is given that how many numbers can be formed using all the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1 such that even digits occupy even places. Solution. The total digits are 7. There are there are 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 threes and 1 fours. So the even digits occupy even places, which means that even digits are 2, 4, 2, 2, 4, 2. So the arrangement of these are, total number of terms is 3 factorial by common, that is 2 factorial ways. In the same way, the odd numbers take odd places, that is 1, 1, 3, 3, that is 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial ways. Therefore the required arrangement is multiply these two terms. So 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, which means answer is 18 ways. That's it. I hope you have understood the previous sum. So let's go to the next sum, which is given that find the number of 5-letter words that can be formed using the letter of the word nature that begins with N with repetition is allowed. So there are 5-letter words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first place can be filled with one word, that is 1 factorial. Next, remaining 4 fill with using 6 words, that is NR, which is 6 power 4, 1296. So as the repetition is allowed, the remaining 4 gaps can be filled with 6 letters, that is NR, which is 6 power 4, that is 1296. Therefore the required arrangement is 1296 into 1, that is 1296 ways. That's it. So coming to the next problem, find the number of bijections from a set A containing 7 elements on itself. Solution. The number of bijection from a set A containing 7 elements is n factorial. N is 7, so this is 7 factorial ways. That's it. If you find this video to be informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.